Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will learn how to configure our DNS to use Open DNS servers for resolving IP addresses. For that, go to Control Panel and open Network Connections. Here, you will find Local Area Network or your own network connection. So select the appropriate network connection, right click on that, go to Properties. Here you will find several properties. We are into General tab. Select Internet Protocol TCP IP and click on Properties. Here you will find out this option, which is use the following DNS server addresses. Click on this option. Preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server option will open up. Write down 208.67.222.222. In the alternative address 208.67.220.220, you can find out these IP addresses on the OpenDNS website, which we have shown in the previous tutorial. Press OK. Click on Close. Now our internet connection is configured to resolve IP addresses from OpenDNS service. This was how we can prevent from DNS hacking. Thank you.